another video. And today I'm here with Mylee. And we need to get this process going really fast because I
Karina Garcia slime. She's doing
I'm doing the regular basic slime.
and I'm doing the fluffy slime. So here we go. And we have to take turns because there's one of these and two of us. I have to do 8 of these. Okay.
I have to do 8 too.
Yeah. So we're twinsies. Even though we're making a different slime, we're still twinsies. There we go. 1.
I don't know if you guys know
2, 3.
There you go.
4.5. 5. 3 more.
It's not gonna fit. You have to be bad shaving.
6.5.
And 7, and it's already full. Very tippy top.
And 8.
Told you. If I were you, I'd pour it in now.
It will be enough for your slime though, because you're not adding anything. So
I'm adding
8 of those. And try not to do too much. If you overfill it, then it's 1.5. But that's 1.5. And then I have to use 3 tablespoons of shaving cream. That's 4.
Yeah, I know.
We did, yeah, and then 1. You're doing way too much. You overfill. Okay, that's
5.
5. You'll have enough. That's how much I was at. But I just didn't have enough because I have to put shaving cream and you don't. So 6.5.
That's not
6 1/4.
Yeah.
6 1/4.
No, I need to do
We need 7 4/3. 7.5. Just
Okay.
do half of that. Or no, that's about how much I was at.
Sure.
That's about
This was more, but that's okay.
a tad. Here, it's my turn now. Okay.
Okay, now guys,
I
mine
really need
is
to scoop
good.
this out a little.
Yep, that's where it's at. I don't know how
I'm
I'm
not
going
gonna
to.
need any more glue. I'm kind of just gonna.
I don't know how I'm going to mix this, but I'll mix it with this.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to mix this.
Just mix it with that, because we're using this for your baking soda.
I'll mix it with this.
Okay, so my next ingredient is 3 tablespoons of shaving cream.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Here, guys, I'll do this for you. I was supposed to start with this. Yeah, I'll do that.
Because it's
Okay. Down as much as I can without it falling, so.
see how much it is? It's literally the whole thing. We kind of use these for no reason. But we can fill
Oh,
them
we're
up
going
in
to put the
them.
slime in them.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's not even coming out.
I'm gonna
I
try.
have to do 3 of these, and the first one's not even coming
Since
out.
this is like excess, like a whole cup of it, should we do like another one or? Oh no, I hope this doesn't die, guys. If it does, we would definitely do
Part 2.
yeah. But we have to make the slime, but
Are you going to add food dye?
yeah.
I'm not.
Actually, I don't know. I'll do like a very light color. I'm doing a very light blue.
I'm going to do... That's
Here.
what I was going to do.
That was
I'll
a
do
lot.
a green
That was
one.
a lot.
I'm doing a green.
I did one big.
I have 1 more of these to go, and then it's your turn.
I wanted it to be light.
Well, I will have a light. Can you get me the green?
You want a green?
Yep.
Can we add anything in this or what?
No, because the recipe doesn't say. We're following the recipe today.
Not true. Just a regular basic slime, which I love.
Here, Mylee, what's your next ingredient?
To finish the slime off. It actually will.
1/2 tablespoon. Hold on.
1.5
And then I have to
tablespoon
do-
of baking soda.
Here, Mylee. We should have just done this a little bit ago, but if I do this and then... Hold on, guys. A little technical difficulty. If I...
Maybe this will make it a little bit
Where
lighter.
is it?
I hope it's not a
Is it?
boy.
It's right here, okay. What do you mean?
Michaela's baby.
Here. That's how much baking soda you put in.
One of these?
Yep.
Okay. So guys, I need to do one of these for my baking soda.
And then
Baking soda.
I would wash this out if I were you. Because you do 3 to 4 of those of contact lens solution.
And I can't have any of
It looks so fluffy. Okay guys, so right now I'm putting my next is
this doesn't work.
I didn't write it down on the paper, so I have to like look in the book.
You didn't write down on your paper what?
How much contact solution? Teaspoons. These are teaspoons. Okay, we're good. Okay, I need the green.
I was gonna give it to you, but
Wait, where's the green?
One.
Where's the green?
Why am I using this?
Because that's
One.
about 4 of those. Where's the green dye? Where is it, my? Where's the green dye? No, seriously, where's the green dye? Mylee?
I don't know.
Can you help me then?
Yeah, hold on.
It has to be in here. It can't be anywhere else. Do you have it?
I do not actually. Okay, I say that much. Maybe a little bit more.
Stinks in that bucket. Never go in there again. Well, that ruins my plan.
By the way, Karina Garcia overactivates her slime.
Oh, exposed.
Sorry, Karina Garcia, if you're
I love
watching
how you
this.
just exposed her like that. You're funny.
And I'm going to mix in all of the baking soda.
Okay, I think that's good.
Karina Garcia, I'm just saying, I really do love you because I'm in love with slime and I'm in love with you. But I'm just saying, you do sometimes overactivate your slime.
Oh, and also I would wash this out because you're doing 3 to 4 of those.
Damn. Just let me finish this. And I'm going to add more baking soda because I don't draw.
No, my, no. Oh, this is actually a really pretty color.
Oh my god, how did you make that?
2 drops of yellow and 2 drops of pink.
I need to do that next time.
Well, it has to be this recipe to make it though.
Ah.
There we go. Yay, 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 yay. And then I do 8
I'm gonna start with one at a time of these, and yeah.
It takes a while to fill. I'm just gonna do 2 things of contact solution at a time. And my mom's always hugging the camera. Seriously, she's all over there.
Okay, so here's my son. I love the color so much. And yeah, I'm just in love with the color because it's such a cute baby blue. But then I also, I made a baby blue and now I want it to be a baby pink.
She's cuckoo about slime.
And now I want it to be baby blue just because,
She's still cuckoo about slime. Just because she wants it to be baby blue doesn't mean she's not cuckoo about slime.
Okay. This is thick. I really like it. It's really good. I'm not going to mix it in. And the blood is gone.
Did you just mix it in?
I said I'm not going to. Did you just call me cuckoo?
Maybe.
The 3rd time?
Yep.
You said it.
And I'm happy.
You said it like last time, and then another time at that video or something, or after.
3 videos straight, yep.
This is your 3rd time.
That's how cuckoo she is.
Did you say
I just
me
said
not
it now.
knowing?
Huh?
I need another thing making contact.
There's contacts right here.
There's no more.
You said there's no more, huh? Now there's no more.
I couldn't get any.
Well, looks like I just did.
Cool.
Cool. Yeah, it's like so cool. It's amazing.
This is already a whole thing of being almost done with.
I know.
And I only added 1.
Minutes.
It's been 10 minutes. Oh my gosh. Okay, this time I only added 1 of these. And it's
You're supposed to do 3 to 4.
I know. And
I
look
only
at
did
this.
2 of these.
And I only need 1. And this is already a little overactivated. Actually, it's perfect. We need to start doing Karina Garcia's slime recipes.
4.
Just not 4 of them.
I've actually never made the basic slime. I've only made the fluffy slime.
This is really...
Here, we'll switch when I'm done making my slime, okay?
I'm keeping this though. Right?
Maybe. This is all of my stuff.
But I bought you some of it.
Not the glue. You did use what you bought for the dye,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
but still, you used everything else that I bought.
Karina Garcia is really good at making slime. Just she really overactivated it. Because I'm supposed to add 4 of them. And I only added 1. And this is already a little bit too hard.
I think you added 2.
No, I added 1. You can even make it. You should feel. You want to switch?
Not yet. No, I'm not even done with it.
That's why I said you put this while I.
No, this is mine.
Do you need help?
No, Mama, I got it. No,
Okay.
I'm doing it on my own.
Just to make it a tiny bit softer. I see how she likes hers really thick. I see
Why
that.
was it? Why I almost put shaving cream?
Hers is like so thick. It's even thicker than this. But I only added a little because I want it to be thick.
Why all my stuff is always covered in slime is because our hands are so slimy and we use them. So 5. I need 6 and 7 and 8.
I know. To the basic thing, I kind of just ruined it because I did add
6,
7,
7,
8. I haven't just added a lot, and I
8.
want to be thick still, and now it's not even thick right now. Like when I just added a little bit, so I should know I added a lot. But I do know how
She
to
did
make
not
it thicker.
follow what this video is supposed to